Hey guys, Farrington here. So what if I told you that you could be earning over 10% daily on your Fry tokens that you currently hold at the moment? So I've been staking in the Cometa staking pool. Make sure that you watch through all this video and I'll be showing you guys exactly how much I've earned and how much you guys could be earning. Okay, so for those of you that are not sure what staking or providing liquidity is, it's basically when you have a set amount of a coin or a cryptocurrency and you provide that to a liquidity pool, which is Cometa Hub in this example. You stake a certain amount of cryptocurrency in there and then you'll be offered an APR percentage for that amount. Now, the majority of times you do lock these in for either, let's say, 30 days to 180 days, sometimes 365 days, and some of them do have flexible where you can go and withdraw your money in and out. You can even compound and restake that back into it so you can earn more on your interest. But I do actually find the process of staking and providing liquidity very, very simple. It just works in a case of the more that you provide, the more that you'll earn in the long run. Now, do not take any of the information that is in today's video as financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. This is just my own opinion and this is how I look at it and this is how I perceive my version of using Cometa Hub and staking and things along those lines. So if we take ourselves over to the staking side and we press on my stake, we can actually see the three liquidity pools that I've jumped in with for Fry. And as you can see here, for the 30-day, which is the main stake for the video, you can see here that I've been earning on an average around about 333%, and my original stake for this was $97.20. So overall, if we actually check back, there was another video that I did make on this on the channel already, so you can feel free to check that out and you can see exactly how much I popped in, but I did actually put in around about $50. So overall, the markets themselves for Fry over the past few days have actually been overall not too bad. They've actually had quite a fair amount of recovery, and as you can see, even with people selling, let's say, with their miners' earnings and things like that, it's still been able to level itself out, which has been great. Okay, and I have noticed a few discussions in the Fry Foundation's Discord where people have been asking and wondering whether they should lock themselves up for the 30 days, 180 or the 365, and there is also a flexible one there. Now, it comes down to your own personal preference, really, and it's your own finances to make sure that you do your own research when it comes down to deciding on what you're going to do. But I think overall, it just comes down to your belief in the Fry Foundation project, and then also as well taking trust in the Cometa Hub as well. So overall, I have trust in both of these. Both of them working, both of them are paying as they should do. Do apologize, guys, currently I am a little bit ill and I'm sure you can hear that within my sinuses. But within the past 30 days for, staking in $50 originally, guys, I have earned $38.02. Now, take that aside. If we look here, I invested 30,000 Fry tokens, and in return, I received 11,733. So overall, give or take, nearly 12,000 coins. So if you think about that, I nearly earned 50% of the amount that I actually, originally invested in within, say, a space of 30 days. So I think that's not too bad. And then if we also take a look over here on the 365-day lock, like I said, I can't claim this or remove this for 332 days. But as you can see, for the original stake, which I'm not sure if it was 100 or whether it was 150, but that amount that I staked in there originally is now worth, $240, but then the rewards that I've generated from that has been $708 or 218,000 Fry. So that's not too bad, and for a total staked of 74,000 Fry, I mean, I've already earned back more Fry than I've originally invested. But like I said, that's waiting for a 365-day lock. Anything could happen with any of the projects within that time. The candles on this could be moving different ways. But taking that aside, with a nice hefty percentage and APR of 2,000%, that's not too bad. Now, obviously, I do want to make sure that everyone is aware that the more people that do invest into these liquidity pools for the Fry Foundation, the lower that the APR rate will go. So, as I say, right now, these percentages are the percentages that they are. And what my idea for today's video really was, same as I said in the original, is I'll do a 30-day update just to show you guys exactly how much I've earned and how much you guys could have earned if you threw in the exact same amount for myself. Now, what I am going to be doing for the 30-day lock is I'm going to be compounding that and throwing that straight back in there to carry on earning that interest. I do personally believe in the Farrington project, and I do think that there is plenty of room to grow within the price. And I'm sure a lot of you that are interested in the Fry Foundation, are seeing a lot of the new products and unreleased miners and things like that they're starting to bring out, like the radiation miner, the energy miner, the indoor air quality miner. So there's quite a fair few, even a war quality miner. So fingers crossed you guys might be seeing a few of these pop up over the channel over the next few months and things like that while things are getting released. And like I say, some of these are extremely affordable. And don't forget, if you're interested in any of the Fry Foundation's miners, so you can accumulate up some of those coins to stake some of those, then don't forget to use Farrington to save yourself 25% off the purchasing price. Okay, so for the last thing for the video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to go and compound this back in and start to earn. Now, I have noticed that after the 30-day period, the money has stayed into the pool, and I would have to manually claim or compound that if I wanted to do so. But what I have noticed is that it does carry on earning interest for the amount that's there after that 30-day period, just so that you guys are aware. If that's something that you'd like to leave in there after that period, it's not something to worry about. You still carry on earning interest for the rate that's in there. That's not too bad at all. For the last segment of this video, guys, I'm going to be telling you and explaining exactly what I'm going to be doing with my Fry tokens that I have accumulated over the past 30 days. So for the ones that I do have here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm probably going to claim all this up here and put this back in as 44,000 coins and start earning again and run that back through for another 30-day period. Let me know down in the comments how your Fry performed since you guys have staked in. Let me know, did you guys earn as much as that I've done on mine? Like I say, for this one here, I've got $718 or 218,000 Fry tokens, which, like I say, I only invested in 74,000 Fry tokens originally. So, like I say, I've like 4x'd, the amount of Fry within that period of time. Like I say, I'm not trying to FOMO anybody into this. Like I said, my main intention is just to show you guys exactly how much I've earned within the past 30 days. So, like I said, let me know what your opinions are this down in the comment. Also, for those of you that love earning passive income through crypto, don't forget to check out the channel for other content very, very similar to this one. We've also released a video on the Scenarios node. Don't forget to check out that. I'll leave this pinned at the end of the video. Right, guys, I'm going to end this video here, but make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.